Hi all, welcome to the video. We are actually starting an anomaly detection series using R, and there are a couple of things that we will be covering in this series. So we'll start with a general introduction to what an anomaly is, and we will also look at use cases, and then the most important thing, what are the ML models or machine learning models that are used to detect anomalies, and then we will look at specific scenarios like what to do if we just have categorical data or if we just have numeric data, and what to do if we have a combination of numeric and categorical data. And we'll also look at some of the things that we need to note while implementing a solution. So this is a very high level objective of this series. So let's start with what an anomaly is. So let's start with a very simple example of number of units of a toy sold each day. So you can see that we have a row where we have on the first day 10 units, on the second day 11 units, and so on. Now if you look closely, on one particular day just one unit has been sold, and if you look at its value against the other values or other units sold, it is pretty less, or it is significantly less. So we can say that this value is very much different from the rest of the series or rest of the values in the series, and we can see that it is not conforming to the normal behavior. So just from an analysis standpoint, if I calculate any analysis by including this data point, it will definitely skew my result, and it will definitely skew everything that I do based on that particular number or that particular numerical summary. So let's look at what exactly will happen if I take all the observation into account, or if I take all the observation into account by with leaving just this particular value. So you can see, if I don't include this anomaly or one unit, then my mean comes out as 11.6, and if I include this into my consideration or calculations, then the mean comes out at 10.4. Since the number of values are less, therefore the difference in mean does not seem to be very high. But when the data runs into millions of records, then this kind of setup plays a very dramatic role, and it skews, and it basically hampers the calculation. Now let's say, even if I am including this particular number in my analysis and reports, what will happen? What are the consequences? So first point is definitely it will influence calculation. There will definitely be a delta. If I just include the normal numbers in the series against the mean that I get by including this number as well. Let's say if the decisions are made on this will definitely be incorrect or not calibrated correctly. And if somebody takes a certain decision from this particular data point, like this is a toy data, this is a detail of sales for that particular toy each day, then it might influence the number of units that I keep in inventory, the number of units that I keep as a safety stock, and basically all the things related to planning of that particular sale activity. So in short, if an anomaly is present, it becomes very difficult to, if I am not treating the data enough, then it becomes very difficult to, arrive at a correct decision that is a sound strategy for the business. In the next video, we will look at, what are the different models that are available from a statistical standpoint, and whether it comes under a supervised or an unsupervised set of model, and what are the different models that are available which we can deploy. I hope this video was useful. Do subscribe to my channel if you want to basically watch machine learning or data science relevant content.